Are you or is someone you know wheel gap phobic? If you're not sure what that is, let me explain. This is my best mate Ryan, and he owns a 2012 WRX, which is his pride and joy. But Ryan has a big problem which he's been too afraid to admit for quite some time. Every time we call Ryan to come out for a cruise or come to a car meet, he never wants to bring his car out. And Ryan's excuse every time is my car isn't lowered, and he thinks it's not worthy to bring it out for a drive or to a car meet. This is what you call wheel gap phobic. Me and the boys, we've had enough of this madness, so we came together and said we have to do something about this. So Ryan's really wanted MCA coilovers in his Rexy for quite a long time, and I guess that's mainly because I've had MCA coilovers in my S15 for around 6 years, and they feel amazing and they handle amazing. And yeah, I guess Ryan's experienced that when I've taken him in the 15 before, and he really loves MCA coilovers. So we reached out to MCA Suspension, and they were kind enough to make Ryan's dreams come true and sent us out a brand new set of Pro Street Series MCA coilovers for his Rexy, and he's gonna freak out. He's gonna be shocked. So yeah, Ryan, he has no idea that we have these coilovers for his WRX. So guys, we've got the coilovers sitting right here in this box, and I can't wait to get Ryan's reactions. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give him a call right now and get him to come down here and get his reaction to these coilovers. All right, so let's hope Ryan actually picks up the phone. I'm gonna call him now.
Hello.
Ryan.
Yes.
What are you doing, bro? What are you doing?
Nothing.
All right.
I have the pleasure of this call.
Mate, drop whatever it is you're doing. You gotta come to the garage like right now and bring the Rexy.
Wait.
Just no reason, bro. I'm filming a video and I need your help. ThatCarLife support isn't here, so I need you to fill in for ThatCarLife support.
No worries. When you want me to come?
Just come now, bro. Come now. But you bring the Rexy, yeah?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, sick. I just want to see you. I missed that car.
You're
All right.
coming.
I'll see you soon, bro.
See ya.
All right, bye. All right, guys. Mission success so far. We've got Ryan on the way down, bringing the Rex, and I'm going to pick up the camera again when he turns up, and we'll get his reaction. Okay, I can hear Ryan's car. He's here. He's coming down now. Yeah.
Filming already, mate.
This is why I need your help.
Jeez, I can't really get in, mate.
Yeah, it's a bit tight.
Good.
How are you?
What's up?
Look,
What are we doing today? Ooh.
we're working on the S15.
What's this?
This,
Don't you already got MCA?
yeah, I do. Actually, you know what? Because you're gonna help me film, I might mic you up, bro, quickly. Let me just put a mic on Ryan, guys. And take over, Ryan. MCA suspension coilovers. What do you reckon, bro? I didn't tell you that I got these.
But you already have MCA coilovers.
MCA coilovers. Yeah, but you can never have too much MCA coilovers, you know what I mean?
Doesn't make any sense.
To be honest, like the ones I've got in the car, I've had them, what, 6 years, and they're actually like pretty solid, eh? Like I don't really need new ones.
Then why did you get them?
Why not, bro? That's new.
Okay.
I'm gonna take the camera, bro.
Reacting really sus.
How much have you wanted MCA coilovers? Like for how long?
How long have you had them for? Like 6 years?
6 years I've had the car. Every time someone's asked you, what coilovers do you want? You always go
MCAs.
So,
Pro Street specifically.
guess what's in here, bro?
Tell me.
They're brand new MCA Pro Street coilovers for your car. And MCA suspension.
Nah, you're lying.
Bro, MCA suspension sent them out and for us to install it and put it on your car.
I don't believe you. You have to open it. I don't believe you. Prove it.
I'm being serious, bro. Yeah, look.
Can't be real.
This is real, bro.
Can't be.
This is happening. Are you ready, bro? Like, how ready are you? Scale of 1 to 10.
Brother, just open the box. I don't believe you.
All right, let's see. But I'm being serious. These are actually for your car.
Can this guy just open the box? He's obviously lying.
I didn't get them for me.
Prove it.
The box came with this information pack right here, which will open soon. But this is it. I can't tell if you actually like believe me or not.
I just don't think they're mine. Are you sure? No, you're lying.
Oof, bro, look at this.
All right, it's definitely coilovers.
Oh my goodness, this looks hectic.
Pro Street. Oh my god. Maybe you weren't lying. All right, they're Pro Street. Okay, they are
Pro
MCAs.
Street, brand new MCA coilovers.
But how do I know they're not for your car? I still don't really believe you.
Well, maybe there will be something in this information pack. So let's open this up. And this is cool. This comes with every MCA coilover purchase. So, bro, look at this.
What?
Look at this right here. Look what it says.
No way.
ThatCarLife Impreza WRX. That's your car, bro.
Oh, it's real.
Do you believe me now?
No, you just printed that out.
No, I'm being serious.
Oh,
ThatCarLife Impreza WRX. It's for your car, bro. It's not for mine. It's for your car. If you guys don't know, me and Ryan have been best mates since year 7. So how long is that now?
Don't quiz me, man.
We feel old.
So long.
We were in year 7 in 2011. So you guys do the math. So yeah, it's the least I can do, bro. And I know you've wanted coilovers for such a long time. And MCA Suspension are absolute legends. And yeah, they were kind enough to make your dream of coilovers and I guess Pro Street coilovers coilovers, your favorite type that you've always wanted,
Guys,
a reality.
that's actually unreal, Jordan. Like, it's hard to describe like how thankful I am right now, and obviously MCA as well, because I literally haven't shut up about these for ages. As soon as they came out, I've been watching them, like just constantly looking at them, waiting for a sale. I've just never pulled the trigger.
And now,
so I can't believe it. To be
you have
honest.
them, bro. And will you finally take your car out, please? After your car's lowered and these are in your car.
Yeah, of course.
Yes, guys. All right, we need to make this happen. Now, thanks to MCA suspension, Ryan's going to be able to bring his car out. And it's going to be hectic. And an awesome thing about MCA suspension, if you guys didn't know, their coilovers are all built to order in Australia, which is sick. And they've got really awesome pre and post sale support, warranty support. So you honestly can't go wrong. They've got so many different coilovers that can suit whatever type of driving or racing or anything like that you have. So yeah, everything for MCA coilovers and suspension will be linked down in the description below if you guys want to check them out. And yeah, you honestly can't go wrong. Like, they've got so many different options, and yeah, I can't wait to throw these in the Rexy and see just how good they feel and see just how good the Rexy looks lowered too. To install these, bro, we've already arranged it. We're gonna go to Has's place, and he's got a 2-post hoist.
Two-post hoist?
A 2-post, he's got a 2-post hoist. He's got a 2-post hoist, and we're gonna install it there, bro. And yeah, all the boys are gonna come down. Angelo's gonna come as well. We're gonna install these on your car. Already been organized, bro.
Hey, that is too good. I can't wait.
So we'll cut to the next clip where we'll take Ryan's Rexy for a drive before we install the coilovers, and then we'll head down to Has's garage and get started on installing these bad boys. So we'll see you guys then. So it's the day of the install, and we're in the WRX. Thought we should take it for a little drive before we do the install so we can see the difference. Let's kind of chuck it into this corner here. Yeah. The WRX from factory has a decent suspension, but you can still definitely see and feel a little bit of roll from the body.
Like Jordan said, it's obviously still a Rexy. It's still got the ability to handle some pretty aggressive turns, but it's definitely the body roll. Could be a little bit more planted.
We're gonna head down to Has's and we'll get started with the install. We'll see you guys then. All right, guys, so we're at Has's garage, and yeah, big shout out to Has for bringing us down here. Ryan, how are you feeling about getting your coilovers finally installed?
Very excited. Big thank you again to Has and MCA for making it happen.
I just can't wait to see Ryan actually take the car out for once. You know? So,
It's true.
just to get it done.
Has, don't you reckon every time we ask Ryan to come out, he never wants to bring it out?
He's always jumping in with someone, Paso.
Yeah, Wilgap phobic.
I know what you're talking about.
He's Wilgap phobic.
You've never seen no gap, that's the problem.
But that's why MCA have sent us out these coilovers, MCA Pro Street coilovers. What do you reckon, Has? Because you've done obviously quite a few coilover installs before.
Yeah, so I've recently bought their stance ones. I did an air cup on it as well.
Yeah, and that's on your S15, which
on
is
my S15
chilling
over
right there.
These new ones are so good. So
Is that,
that's my bird.
Hey!
Money penny, stop. But these ones, they got an Allen key now. You undo the Allen key and you adjust your height from here. It's
So
much
that's
easier.
here, the Allen key.
Yeah, so that's your adjusting height point now. So just undo the Allen key and you adjust it there. And with these ones now, you get 2 springs. So you got your spring and you got your helper spring. They look, yeah, they look neat. Look at that. These will be some really good for for the road and even for some track use as well.
Very excited.
All right, well, let's get the car up on the hoist. We'll get started. Got the old coilovers out on the rear, or I guess the rear right. Look at the difference here.
This is actually not bad condition, straight out for what, 110,000 Ks?
Yeah.
And these just look insane. I love the purple color that they've done to it.
It looks sick, eh?
The height difference already is about 10-15 mil lower than what the standard height is. You can adjust from here. We just undo the Allen key, like we said earlier. We can adjust the height so much
Less
better.
mucking around.
So much, yeah. You got dampening at the top, which goes soft and hard, whichever click you want, and then you can just go by your clicks. You can adjust. So if you got 5 clicks that way, do the same thing to the other side. You can tighten the suspension more, have more of a feel to the car. You can feel the car on the road more. Then once you want it more soft for daily driving, just go softer to cruise your ride.
Look at how detailed the instructions are on this. Yeah, it has all the settings on it. Comes with this booklet. It's got coilover design. Wow. All of these mounting information, camber washers. This is sick. A lot of instructions, so proper.
So when you guys are installing this, bring out the two coilovers and bring them next to each other. So this is how the coilover is going to sit. This is front driver's side. So I had this one originally and I was looking at the brackets, looking at that way. It should be the same as this side, but see how they're different? This is obviously for passenger side, but then you bring this other one over, it's the exact copy. Same brackets, same everything. So just a little tip. So this is the sleeve that they've given us to stop movement with the top camber bolt that goes through here. The reason why is because the stock bolt of this is a bit thicker in this part. There's less movement, so what they've done to fix that is given us this sleeve. Put this on, that they've given us this center punch. That goes in, and then you just start smacking it until it's flush. After that, MCA has already given us a preset. These are the camber washers. The way you guys can tell the difference is here. It says 14-2, so that's 2 mil, and that's 1. They've already given you a preset of 1 mil, which is what everyone usually runs, I believe. We're leaving it at 1 mil. Ryan doesn't want too much camber wear. Pretty easy, and once you guys do this, this all has to be aligned. Like you can see in the photos here, these all have to be aligned. They've already done it anyways, it's easy. Other coilovers, I don't believe they don't have camber washers.
Yeah, also the person seeing camber washers, camber bolts, but this system is definitely a lot easier to change and replace, and so that's already preset.
Yeah.
Once you change the washer, it sets that mil without any adjustments.
This is heaps better. I know with my S15 with the MCA suspension, I didn't get any camber bolts or camber washers. So I think
an older model.
Mine's 2001 car, so 2012, this coming with it, it's pretty cool. For more camber as well. So now we're adjusting the rear suspension. So what I do is I measure the height that it's at now, from bottom of the ring to the top of the ring, which is 90 mil. And all I gotta do is just crack that nut loose and then start lowering it.
We're doing a first test drive in the WRX, and so far, how does it feel, Ryan?
I can't believe the difference. Right from the get-go, the road just feels so much more comfortable. And then you think when it's this comfortable, you're gonna lose on performance. Nah, way better, way less body roll in every corner. Straight away. It's not even on the hardest damper settings. You just feel more confident on the road as well.
Just comparing it to the drive before we changed the coilovers, you could definitely feel in those corners all the body roll, and now that's just eliminated, and we'll show you guys as well. It feels pretty nuts. Like even going over bumps, like there's a bit of a bump here, barely even felt that, bro. Like insanely comfortable.
Better than stock by far for comfort, for things like uneven road, potholes.
And these are the Pro Street Series, so they're made to have a lot of comfort, but they also have that performance aspects mixed in as well.
It's the perfect balance for someone who wants to do a bit of spirited driving, but also still be comfortable for an everyday car.
Whoa! Oh, wow! Oh my god. That?
I reckon you still get pushing.
Wait, that was nuts, eh?
That was creepy as.
There was no body roll at all. Bro, the thing just planted. All right, guys, so we just parked up the car now. We've got it sitting here. You've definitely closed that wheel gap quite a bit more. I mean, my personal taste, I think I'd have it a lot lower, but obviously this is your car. You want to have it the way that you want to have it.
Yeah, look, it's still a Rexy at the end of the day, you know, they're not really meant to be slammed. I know some people's preference is that way, but yeah, I've got to keep a bit of function for a daily, to be honest, in my case.
I think it definitely does look a lot better, and the wheel gap is definitely a lot more closed. How does this car feel driving compared to how it was before?
Way better than stock, just so much more comfortable, even though it also is way better in the corners. The handling just feels so much more planted. You just feel a lot more control of the car. Yeah, it feels like you can do much more. It's plenty for street driving.
How are these coilovers to install?
Really easy. Like the car itself and also the tools that MCA give you to put that sleeve in, so much easier. Honestly, if you wanted to, you can do it yourself. Like that's how easy it was. Instructions, everything, and you can add more camber like how they give us with the camber bolt. One of the easiest suspensions I've ever installed.
We've got one more thing left, guys, for the install. We have to put on the MCA sticker. MCA suspension sticker. Now everyone knows.
MCA approved.
MCA approved.
MCA approved.
MCA approved, bro. This has been a crazy eventful video. Ryan's WRX has finally got coilovers on it. And Ryan, I'll bring you in here. We have to ask you a very important question. When we call you to come out, are you going to bring your car out?
The phobia is gone.
Are you still wheel gap phobic?
No. Thank you. You
Guys,
saved my life.
yes.
Dr. Jordan, thank you.
Thank you, MCA Suspension. Ryan is no longer wheel gap phobic and he's now going to finally bring out this beautiful WRX on all the car meets and cruises, and he's going to enjoy this thing as he should. massive shout out to MCA Suspension for sending us out these coilovers for Ryan's WRX, and I'll link all the details for MCA Suspension down below in the description. These ones in particular are the MCA Pro Street Series coilovers, so I'll also have a link to those in the description too. MCA have been absolutely amazing throughout this whole entire process and so awesome to deal with, and I know they'll be the exact same for you guys too. So if any of you guys are wheel gap phobic, or if any of your friends are as well and want to get some coilovers for yourself, don't hesitate to reach out to MCA Suspension. They're absolute legends and they'll take very good care of you. All right guys, so we'll leave the video there. Thank you so much for watching. It was definitely a very special one. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next one on That Car Life.